Assalamu alaikum everybody. This is Dr. Shahid Kokar, and today we will talk about 38th lecture for the subject of operations and supply chain management. As you know that we are talking about the location facilities, and we have discussed what is mean by the location facility, how it is different from distribution centers. We have already talked about the discussion points, that what is the difference between logistics and supply chain management. As we have seen that in our previous lecture, that selecting a location facility have multiple effects on organization. Today we will talk about what are the factors which play important role while deciding the facility location of a manufacturing concern. So if you talk about the manufacturing concern, any organization which is producing goods, and those goods should be tangible in nature. So if you are buying a raw material, you are applying any process, and after that you are producing a final product. That product is actually falls under the category of manufacturing concern. So if we talk about what are the factors which can play an important role in the decision of location facility, you can see in your slide that there are approximately 7 factors which play an important role. We will try to discuss all of them one by one in detail. First one is called the favorable labor climate. And if you talk about the favorable labor climate में सबसे पहला जो चीज़ organizations consider करती हैं in order to locate the facility, that is कि वहाँ की जो लेबर है उसका वेज रेट कितना है. Either it is considered as a cheap labor or either it is considered as a expensive labor. हम लोग आजकल चाइनीज़ सक्सेस स्टोरी को जो है वो जानते हैं, एंड एवरीबॉडी टॉक्स अबाउट द चाइनीज़ ग्रोथ एंड डेवलपमेंट इन द प्रीवियस ईयर्स. चाइनीज़ इकोनॉमी जो है वो बेसिकली जो रिवाइव हुई या जब उसने ग्रोथ शुरू की, तो दैट वाज बेस्ड ऑन द प्रेमाइस ऑफ द चीप लेबर कॉस्ट, बिकॉज Chinese country is having a large amount of population, और because of that factor उनकी जो labor थी that was very cheap. So in the era of 80s and 90s, manufacturing concerns moved their production houses from the west to the east, and particularly in China, where they can procure or they can source the cheap labor from the Chinese economy. So while considering the favorable labor climate, the wage rate or the salary of the employees is the one factor. Similarly, company should also consider that the skill set which is available in that area or the location. Normally, developing countries may many organizations can find a cheap labor, but the skill level or the skill set of that labor is relatively low, or you can say there is a big difference in the skill set of the developed nation and a developing country. So if you are considering the low labor, you should also consider the skill set which belongs which is required for a specific manufacturing concern. If your labor in that new location is not skilled, definitely an organization has to spend money for the training and the improving skill set, and it also involves the cost. Normally, $10,000 to $20,000 is the cost for training a worker for the automotive industry, which is quite exorbitant. So in the favorable labor climate, we will consider the wage rate, we will also consider the skill set, and plus the attitude of the labor, that either they are willing to work productively. Just like in our society, हम लोगों ने अक्सर देखा होगा कि if you talk about the jobs of the lowest strata, for example, if you talk about the domestic help or the housemaids, a lot of people are facing the problem of finding the domestic help or finding a maid for their डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज़. और उसके अंदर जो बिगेस्ट फैक्टर है वो ये है कि द एटीट्यूड ऑफ द लेबर वर्क फोर्स इज़ नॉट वेरी गुड, बिकॉज they will join the new job, for after few days they will leave the job for certain reasons. So attitude of the labor workforce can also be an important consideration while considering the favorable labor climate. Another point which is important in the facility location is called proximity to the markets, and it means that आप जहाँ पे अपनी फैक्ट्री या वेयर हाउस या आप अपना डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन सेंटर उसको रीलोकेट करना चाहते हैं, उसको रीलोकेट करने से पहले आप ये देखेंगे कि आया आप वहाँ से जो आपकी कस्टमर टारगेट मार्केट है उसको आसानी से एक्सेस कर सकते हैं या नहीं. पर्टिकुलरली दोज प्रोडक्ट्स जो कि हैवी इन नेचर हैं, ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल यू कैन टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री, कि मूविंग सीमेंट फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस इज़ नॉर्मली वेरी difficult. So for those industries in which the product movement is difficult and it involves a high transportation cost, you would try to locate your facilities near to the customers. And if you are near to the customer, obviously आपकी जो outbound transportation cost है वो basically कम होएगी. So while determining the location of your facility, you should also consider that how near you are to the target market of your consumers. Moving on, we are talking about the impact on environment. As we already know that in 21st century, the consumers are very much sensitive about the environmental impact of their organization. So if your organization is engaged in those activities where you are creating a damage to the environment, then obviously your suppliers and your customers will be reluctant to deal with you. So while deciding the location facility, you should also consider the carbon footprinting by the activities of your organization. So that is another important consideration which you can consider while considering the location of your facility. Another point is the quality of life. And quality of life में कौन कौन सी चीज़ें आ सकती हैं जहाँ पे आपके वर्कर्स या एम्प्लॉयज़ रहेंगे, दैट एरिया, उस एरिया का पोल्यूशन कितना लेवल कितना है, या उस एरिया के अंदर स्कूल्स हॉस्पिटल्स इजीली अवेलेबल है या नहीं है, और उस एरिया को हम लोग जो है इजीली एक्सेस कर सकते हैं या नहीं कर सकते. इन द recent years, many manufacturing industries are relocating themselves from the big cities to the rural areas because the quality of life is decreasing in the big cities. So employees who will work in your organization, they actually would love to have a good quality life. So if you are relocating your facility, you should also consider the quality of life in that area. The next point is called the proximity to the suppliers and resources. While considering the location facility, हमें ये भी देखना पड़ेगा कि जहाँ से हम लोगों ने रॉ मटेरियल बाय करना है उस न्यू फैसिलिटी पे या उस नई जगह पे सप्लायर्स जो है वो आसानी से रॉ मटेरियल्स प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं या नहीं. अगर नहीं तो इन दैट केस हमारी जो इनबाउंड ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाएगी. चाइना के अंदर आप सब लोगों को पता होएगा कि एप्पल जो है वो असेंबल होता है और ग्वांगचो इज़ द नेम ऑफ द सिटी वेयर इट इज़ बीइंग असेंबल्ड. उस जगह पे उसके असेंबल होने में जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर है वो बेसिकली ये है कि उसके जो कंपोनेंट्स हैं विच आर बीइंग यूज्ड इन द एप्पल फ़ोन, दे आर readily available from the countries which are near to China, just like Taiwan or Hong Kong, Vietnam, Singapore. So there are different components which are manufactured in these countries and then they are assembled in Guangzhou or China, and from there mobile phones are distributed all over the globe. So proximity to suppliers and resources is another very important consideration while deciding the location facility. Another point which is called the proximity to the parent company's facilities. As you know that once you will locate the facility to the area, so we will also consider how convenient it is to communicate with that area and with the parent company's facilities. यहाँ आपका जहाँ पे head office है यहाँ आपकी, because employees will move around very frequently from the new location and the head office of your company. So वो आप जो नई लोकेशन है वहाँ पे आप इजीली पहुँच सकते हैं, वहाँ से आप कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर अवेलेबल है, फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल है. तो these are the areas would also be considered while considering the location facilities, particularly for the manufacturing concern. The next point is called the utilities, taxes and the real estate cost. In order to attract the foreign investment, many countries actually give you the favorable environment, and in that favorable environment companies actually offer lower taxes and subsidized utilities, and in certain cases governments also provide you the free land if you make an investment in another country. So while making a decision, a company should also consider the cost of utilities, which is directly related with the cost of energy, and any tax or the rebate benefits which a company can have. Just like अगर हम लोग चाइनीज़ मॉडल की बात करें तो चाइना ने जो डेवलपमेंट की उसके अंदर एक इम्पॉर्टेंट फैक्टर ये था कि दे इस्टेब्लिश्ड द स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स अलोंगसाइड द कोस्ट लाइन, और उस कोस्ट लाइन में वहाँ पे उन कंपनीज़ जो उस स्पेशल इकोनॉमिक जोन्स के अंदर काम करती थी, दे आर एक्चुअली द टैक्स फ्री zones. Companies can bring the raw materials into those zones and they will process the products and then they will export the products to the world. If that product comes into the China, then the taxes will be applicable. Otherwise, there will be minimal taxes or no taxes for if you are working in the special economic zone. And with the same example, we can also develop the special economic zones in our country. As you know, we have established the Gwadar port, and now Pakistani government is planning to develop the special economic zones where they will provide a tax benefit for the foreign companies so they can move their manufacturing or the warehousing facilities into our country. So these are the number of factors which you should consider while making a decision about location facility. But as we have already talked about कि हम इन तमाम फैक्टर्स का जो क्यूमुलेटिव इफेक्ट है उसको कंसिडर करते हैं रादर देन के एक इफेक्ट के, और नॉर्मली ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को इन तमाम फैक्टर्स के अंदर जो है वो ट्रेड ऑफ करना पड़ता है. यू कैन फाइंड अ चीप लेबर इन वन कंट्री एंड देयर इज़ अ पॉसिबिलिटी कि दैट लेबर इज़ नॉट स्किल्ड, और देयर इज़ ऑल्सो पॉसिबिलिटी कि दैट एनवायरनमेंट ऑफ दैट country or the city is not favorable for the organization. So that's all for today's lecture. If you have any question regarding this lecture, please make a comment in the Google Classroom, or you can contact with your co-teacher for the better explanation. That's all for today. See you on the next time.